Hi guys, today I will explain how to connect Google Drive with Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application and sign in your account in Clipchamp. Once you sign in, you will see the same interface like mine. The next thing is click on the option Create a New Video, so we will get access to the timeline of Clipchamp. And as you can see now, we are on the timeline of Clipchamp. Now, in order to connect Google Drive with Clipchamp, you will see the option of Import Media on the left top. You don't need to click here. Just click on this arrow, and here you will see multiple options of Google Drive, Dropbox, and some else. In order to connect it with Google Drive, click on the option of Google Drive. Then your PC browser will be open, and here click on the option Continue. And here you can see now it's asking for Choose an Account. So here you have to choose that account which you want to connect with your Clipchamp, just like I have this one. So I need to click on it. And the last thing is I need to click on the option to continue. Then my Google account will be connected with my Clipchamp, and I can directly import my data from my Google Drive to my Clipchamp. I don't need to download it from Google Drive and import to the Clipchamp, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.